students, myself Palamuli, working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. Please introduce yourself.
Myself Sagarna, I come from Triple Department.
Myself Nivas coming from Triple Department.
Myself Srigiri coming from Triple Department.
Myself I am Tarun, I am coming from Triple Department.
Myself Vishnu K, I am coming from Triple Department.
Today we are going to see a topic sand casting and DT based approach. We are going to brainstorm about what is sand casting and the working of the sand casting, how metal components, metal cavity has been produced in foundry shops.
Sand casting operations. This is the most and commonly used traditional method for doing this method. And we use this type of soil because in this soil the content of the silica is low according to other soils. When comparing it to mud soil and clay and river soils and seashore soils, it has more silica content and we can't make a model in it. While comparing this, it is easy to make the models.
Now we can see about the construction of one mold. It is a molten box. We can pour the soil inside this box and we can moisturize the sand we need content. And it was a split pattern we can use to make a mold in this box, molten box. We can use this mold and we can pour the soil inside and we can use this hammer to ensure the edges was completely filled with sand.
At first we need to paste the split pattern into the sand, and after doing that we have to rammer the split pattern in it, and this is called a riser. The riser is placed here because the riser, this is called as the traver, and using this we can make a gateway. Using this we can make a gateway, and he is taking the split pattern and he is making the gateway. We are making the gateway because we will pour the metal here, molten metal here. After taking the riser, we will pour a molten metal here. It will fill and it will comes through the gateway and it will fill here in the side.
Now we want to make a holes in this mold because the excess gas and heat want to separately spread into this box to ensure that the mold was be safe and the molten metal was be ensuredly completed.
The molten material will have this gateway and also the riser shape. So we need to do a post-production work. It's called as two types of work. One is machining and other is one is machining for cutting these arms and also polish the material.
Application of sand casting. Sand casting is used in the automobile industry, marine industry, agriculture equipment, industrial equipment, construction field, and pipes and fitting. It is also used in iron pipes, fitting the pipe and join the pipe.
Sand casting is a low-cost manufacturing process and it can produce large and complex shaped equipment components easily. Almost any type of metal can be used to produced by sand casting method, and it is suitable for small scale products. The equipment cost is less component to other casting methods compared to other casting methods.
This casting method has some poor surface finishing, low dimensional finish, high chances of defects, low production rate, not suitable for thin sectors, more finishing operators, and lower mechanical strength.
So I would like to conclude that we have discussed about the working of sand casting, importance of sand casting. I'd like to add some more points to that. skilled labor is required to make this mold. As we have to prepare the sand, we have to create mold, we have to ensure that the inside cavity is not being collapsed. So, and also after making that molten metal component, we need to do some post-production work, as he said. So, at that time, the machining operations plays a vital role. If you have a defect in molten defects occur during the curing process of the molten metal poured into the cavity, that will be reflected in the quality inspection. So after all this, the one particular component is being fabricated and being transferred to the required levels. Most of the components use this kind of engine blocks. Engine blocks will be fabricated using manufactured using this type of methods. I hope you understand the working of sand casting, how it functions, important and what it is. Thank you.
Thank you.